Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to download a video on Netflix. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to download a video on Netflix. Maybe you want to download the video so that you could watch them later when you don't have the internet, or maybe you're traveling so you want to download before so that you could watch it in traveling. Or there could be any other reason for you to download a video on Netflix. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to make sure is that you have already installed the Netflix app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. Once you're done with all that stuff, just simply tap on the icon of the Netflix to open the app. At first you will see the title of Netflix, and after that you will see this interface. Here you can see it is asking us to click onto any of the profiles to get into our account. You might have more profiles than this account, or maybe less profiles than this account based off how many profiles you have created on your account. So you have to tap onto any one of the profiles that you use the most, and once the profile open you will see the profile interface. There you will see multiple videos and a lot of different options at the top and at the bottom of the screen. So from all these things, what you have to do is that you have to look for a video that you want to download. You could either search the videos by their genres, or you can just go to home, can explore the videos, or you could click on this option which is trending and hot ones, where you could find all the new and trending videos on the Netflix. Other than that, on the search bar which is in the top right side of the screen, you will see there's a search bar icon. If you tap on it, you can search for the videos or movies that you like by their name or maybe something related to it. And once the video pop up on your screen, you can select that video by just tapping on that video and it will be opened. So here I have searched for this movie. Once I clicked on it, it just opened like there. So here you can see we have two parts of it. So I'm tapping on the first part, and once I tapped on it, I get a lot of different options. So from all these options, you can see we have this option, download. Once you tap on it, it will start downloading the video on a Netflix. Here you have to understand the video will get downloaded in the app Netflix, not in your mobile phone gallery. So you have to keep that in mind. So the downloading takes a lot of time based on how long the video is and how strong the internet speed is. So once the video gets downloaded, you can go to the download option, which I'll show you later once the video gets downloaded. But before that, we have to wait for a while. And here you can see the video has been successfully downloaded. And if you want to access to the video, at the bottom you can see we have three options. You have to click on the right option, which is download. Once you tap onto that, you will find all the download videos that you have downloaded on the internet. So here you can see this is video that has been downloaded. Now you can watch it whenever you want to watch it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can download a video on Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.